This is Grow CX. I'm Scott Gilby. At some point, your customer experience projects and ambitions will be either accelerated or impeded by your customer data strategy. Typically, when we talk about data strategy, we go right to technology, and of course, we need to get there. I'm a bit of a fundamentalist on this. I think first it's good to understand what data is, how it needs to move about the organization, and the impact it has on customer experience. Once that is appreciated and equally understood across the key stakeholders, technology decisions about your CRM, voice of customer, scoring systems, even operational processes, etc., those decisions tend to flow more easily. There are 5 types of data in any organization, and here they are. Unstructured, from emails to web content to social media. Transactional, sales, financial reporting, etc. Trouble tickets are here. Operational data of all descriptions, including voice of customer. Metadata is data about data. There are hierarchies, data relationships with other sets of data. For example, company org structure, product groupings, and such things. Master data is a gigantic topic. These are the critical nouns of a business, and they fall typically into 4 groupings, starting with people, customers, vendors, etc. A party is a company. A person is an individual. Things, assets, places, locations, GPS coordinates, concepts. This is where warranties, contracts, customer segmentations can be found. Reference data is often considered a subset of master data, coded, non-volatile value lists that are shared throughout the enterprise across every single system. Examples include zip codes, warranty terms, time zones, etc. In fact, there are hundreds of different types of reference data. If you are just starting out with a master data program, this is a great place to begin, because if you have simple errors in some of this reference data, whether it's as basic as different ways of spelling countries, US versus USA, for example, these things can cause problems with transferring data from one system to another and inevitably impact customers some point along the way. In this simple bulleted list, every possible type of data in an organization can be found. What's interesting is if we ask which of these data impact customer experience, well, here's the answer. You know where this is going. This entire page is going to populate with these red ovals. Good or bad, quality of data in any of these ovals and the ability to crosswalk or translate from one system to another will impact your customer experience. This is the last page in this recording. Simply a question. Is your CX advisor fluent with all these topics? Customer experience folks don't typically have this background. That's fine. Make sure someone is available to your team who does, or find a CX advisor that is comfortable in all these areas. In the center here, there's a data governance chart. It comes right out of the book of Data Management Body of Knowledge. It's a fantastic reference. There is no need in customer experience to reinvent the wheel with data management or governance. It's right here. It's an entirely different profession and ties very nicely to what we need to accomplish with customer experience. If you are curious about this topic, I'd love to speak with you. I can be found at growcx.com or LinkedIn.